Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay March 22, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, March 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 22, 2026, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, March 22, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 22, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.